Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to showcase Designrr.io's new feature, WordGenie. Essentially what it lets you do is create an ebook in about 6 or 7 clicks. So if you're a content creator, a blogger, an affiliate marketer, this is a super cool tool. Makes it really easy to generate content without actually having to generate content. So I'm just going to jump right into it. We're going to go ahead and we are going to enter in the topic of, let's see, affiliate marketing with the help of AI. Very clever. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a tag. I'm going to add blogging because I really want to use blog posts and the ability to plug material that I actually like. So what it does is it auto-generates some sub-niches if we want to get a little more specific in what we're trying to do. So let's see what we've got here. I'm just going to stick with the top one. Keep it simple, affiliate marketing with the help of AI. Our target audience, let's just say affiliate marketers. So it's gone ahead and it's suggested some titles for us. I'm just going to choose one of these real quick. I'm going to go ahead and choose Maximizing Affiliate Marketing Profits with AI. Cool. So it's gone ahead and here's an outline for us, and basically this is what our ebook is going to look like. I'm going to go ahead and click next. And now it's going to go through and it's going to write each individual section. And this could take a few minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed up the video a bit. All right, cool. It generated a ton of content. I really can't complain. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of check out what they've got in here. And I'm going to go ahead and click on choose a template. And as you can see, there's a whole bunch of templates that we can choose from. We'll just click on this one here. All right. So it took that entire AI generated text and it put it into this ebook for us. It looks really good. Going to scroll down to the bottom, see how many pages we got. So we got a 51 pages, a 51 page ebook in just a few clicks. I didn't have to generate any of the content myself. I can use this for a lead magnet. That just goes to show how easy it is to use Designrr.io's WordGenie feature. In a future video, I'll go over some of their other features as well. You can actually give it a URL and it will generate an ebook based on the link you provided. You can give it a Google Doc, a PDF, a text file. So there's a lot of different ways you can utilize Designrr.io. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for future content.